This is me, Gigio Attanasio, currently the Sun Manager based in Dublin, Ireland. I was born a long time ago in Napoli, a wonderful Italian city, and I grew up in an area called Borgo Sant'Antonio Abate, where I bit the first pizza of my life. In this pizzeria called Oliva, I understood that pizza would have been part of my life forever. In this pizzeria, I literally ate 1,000 pizzas. But this didn't make me a pizza expert, and I realized that when one day, after my degree, I immigrated to... not to the US, this is the wrong picture. I actually immigrated to the UK, Liverpool, a place famous for the Beatles, not for pizzas. And because of that sad reason, I decided to do by myself. But the results weren't so encouraging. Pizza I made didn't look like pizza I used to have in Napoli. So one day I decided to move back to Italy, in Milan, where I kept going with my pizza experiments by poisoning 100,000 people because of my crap videos. These are my first experiments, and my pizzas look very bad. But when you are young, you also are reckless, and this is why I shamefully kept going. Few years and videos later, I decided to start studying the principles of pizza making, and I enrolled CAPAC, the best cookery school in Milan. Apart from principles, I also learned a lot of secrets thanks to my maestro. And then I got my diploma, which made me a certified pizzaiolo. Since that moment, my videos on YouTube started to improve in terms of quality, and even pizzas looked much better. Maybe this